Kiiraniro kuma kuri bengi ya World Bank kuri thirikari ya Kenya kiari uheani wa ngombo ya muigana wa shiringi bilioni 104 wona Kenya yahitukia watho wa kurigiriria atongoria kuiga mbere mabataro mao handu ha mamuingi niguo kuhurana na ungumania.
We now have the CS.
Itoria President William Ruto ria gucokia watho yo kuri mbunge uthurimwo weru ruo kirurumura kiuria kia ikinya riria World Bank egukinyukia.
In my opinion, it doesn't meet the threshold of the expectations of the people of Kenya. As public servants, we cannot afford to carry the baggage of self-interest into public service.
Hindi ya igongona ria kwihitithia a minister eri na andiki akaru 14 thigiraini wa iregi, President Ruto ugite watho uyu uri na mahoro maria mekuhotithia atongoria kugumania mbeca cia muingi na kwiguna kiumbe.
I expect both houses of parliament to exercise leadership in making sure that we get a piece of law that will help us manage and eliminate eventually matters corruption that in many cases come as a result of conflict of interest for public officials who serve not the public but their interest.
Ari mbere ya mbunge ya bururi muthenya wa ira, Minister wa kigina John Badi nyarataririe ati World Bank nirikitie kuhitukia ngombo ya shiringi bilioni 78 iria ifatie kurekererio mweri-ini wa gatandatu niguo kuhotithia tabarĩra cia ukuria riu kwina uhotekeku wa mbeca ici gucerithirio.
Now the World Bank disbursement of 600 million is coming in June. Why? Because you remember this House and the Senate delayed in a way, but we thank you for now finally passing the conflict of interest bill, which was a condition. World Bank could not give us money until that bill was passed. That bill has just been passed, and we thank you for it. But now it is unlocking. Today I was with the World Bank representative. It's unlocking 600 million to us.
Mbadi no arataririe wihotekeku wa ngombo ĩngĩ ya shiringi bilioni 34.3 kurekererio kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe giukite. Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikionekana kwihoka ngombo hoka ni ukinyaniria wa tabarĩra cia ukuria.
Another amount that has not come is the African Development Bank loan of $265 million US. That again, fortunately, is coming in a week's time. All the conditions precedent have been realized.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.